everybody. My name is Ben Graysa. I'm an intern with the Chicago Department of Aviation, Airfield Operations. As far as my job duties go, I drive around the airfield with airfield operations supervisors, work on taxiways and runway inspections. I also work in the office with George Lyman and Keith Wisniewski to take care of FAA reports as well as other airfield operations.
My name is Hannah Griska, and I work in the Public Safety and Security Division here in the CDA. I work in Operations Administration, and I help to ensure that the day in and day out inner workings of the security of both airports goes as smoothly as possible. Anybody that leaves the division, anybody that enters the division, their paperwork all goes through myself and a few of the other administration sergeants and lieutenants here. Today, we are working with about 30 new hires, 30 new aviation security officers who are going through the orientation or indoctrination. And what I'm doing today is I'm making sure that they're going to have name tags so that while they're walking around the building, we know who they are, and we can also start to put a face to the name. And I'm also creating a file for each individual new hire so that they can put all their orientation documentation or paperwork inside and just make it a little easier for them. So that's about it going on today. Please let me introduce to you our next speaker, Abram.
Hi, I'm Abram, and I'm a high school intern for a contractor of the CDA, Aldridge Electric. Aldridge Electric's office is across Higgins Avenue from the CDA building. The project I'm working on is the new ATS People Mover system at O'Hare. The new system goes from the terminals to the new car rental and parking lot. I compare new conform sets with previous revisions of the drawings and log them into a spreadsheet to eventually create an as-built drawing for the project. Thank you for your time. Here's Gabe and Alexis.
Gabriel Summers, and I'm a second-year student at Harold Washington Community College.
And my name is Alexis Leone, and I'm going to be a freshman at DePaul University, and we are CDA interns in the IT Telecom department.
I have been tasked with creating a phone inventory of all the phones here in the administration building by locating them, collecting information, and putting that into a database that can be used for tracking status and planning of future upgrades to the communication infrastructure here at O'Hare.
What I've been doing is scheduling appointments to get work cell phones updated for people here at CDA. This consists of updating the phone's operating system, downloading the AirWatch app, and configuring the phone's settings with the device management profile. Hello, it's Gabe and Alexis, and we're just here in Terminal 3, L Concourse? Yeah, that. And we're testing this app called Loud Steps, and Alexis is going to give you a little bit of background on the app that we're testing.
So, like Gabe said, we have been working on a proof of concept for a pilot app called Loud Steps, and it is developed by an organization called Bonnie. It provides independence and autonomy for visually and hearing impaired people in indoor spaces. This app is currently in testing for improvements on its reliability in the L Concourse of Terminal 3, and we'll show you how it works.
How the app works is you go into the app, and they give you a list of options, and obviously we're in O'Hare Terminal 3, and it gives you options on like places to go, exits, emergency exits, restrooms, informations, food court, and ATMs, and then they have like a little thing that says all categories, and it just basically gives you everything that you see on the first screen. So yeah, we're gonna show you how the turn-by-turn navigation works. Okay, so we're just gonna show you how to navigate through the app and how to get to a specified location. So first, what we'll do is double click, since we have voiceover enabled, and we're gonna let's choose food. So we'll choose food court, and we're gonna choose McDonald's. So we'll just click and double tap, and it'll give us turn-by-turn navigation on how to get there. But let's choose this option, and this option will give us the accurate amount of feet we are from our location. So now that concludes our video.
And on to
My name is Evelie Santiago, and I work for the finance of aviation, and I work with the finance and HR. And what I do is file paperwork and the payrolls. And as you see here, I'm filing the payrolls that they give to me and how much people get paid for it.
Hello everyone, my name is Hubert Kowalczyk and I'm an intern for WSP. We are a construction manager here out in OMP, and we make sure that everything that's put out in the field is made to the required specifications.
Working for WSP has given me exposure to work with time and material tickets, pay estimates, and RFIs. Currently, I'm working on quantity books. This is item 102. As you can see on the screen, we have the quantity sheet right over here. And all the quantities are entered from this binder into the website. I have to double check that everything is inputted correctly, like on this plan sheet right here, and that everything is correct on here. Once we make sure this is correct, we put it on this spreadsheet here, and once we add all the totals, we get the total right here, and then we file it into this binder and put it away.
Hello everyone, my name is Brevin. I'm an intern here at the Chicago Department of Aviation. I currently work under an IT company called Vision Tech. And within Vision Tech handles all the IT support that goes on within the airport. We make sure that we help people with their computers, whether it's taking down a computer, putting up a computer for a new hire, or fixing that computer, whatever problems may be within that computer. Some recent job projects I had to do, for example, I had to set up the new commissioner, who we got today. I had to make sure that she had all of her software on there and the correct updates. I had to make sure she had Microsoft Office, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and all that other good stuff. And to really put in perspective our workplace and our day-to-day tasks, I'm going to show you guys what our workspace looks like with our lab and our supply closet. Alright everybody, this is the supply closet where we store all of our computers, monitors, wires, cables, mouses, and keyboards, and all that other good stuff. This is actually what we would use in our network closet when we want to store the network devices themselves. And here we have the lab. This is where one would come to when they want to work on a computer that needs fixing and has problems, or this is where we would come to when we want to work on something to set up for somebody.
Breenan, say hi.
Well, we gotta go get printer information.